What's the funniest thing you've ever heard on public transit? I was sitting on the train, just minding my business, when I heard a woman behind me practically shout, "Is that a chocolate orange I smell?" Her friend, without skipping a beat, sighed like her soul had been crushed, and in the most deadpan voice muttered, "No, Jenny, it's just a regular orange." There was a pause, and then she added, "I swear if this isn't a chocolate orange, I might just lose my faith in humanity." I lost it. Laughed so hard I nearly spit my coffee all over the seat. But it didn't end there. The woman then went, "What's next? A strawberry that doesn't taste like candy?" The whole train was cracking up. For a moment, we were all in on this absurd, over-the-top drama about a fruit. Honestly, best laugh I've had all week, and definitely worth a coffee disaster.